Make a perfect cup of hot cocoa/hot chocolate. Take pleasure in having your breakfast with a cup of hot chocolate drink at your garden while enjoying the early morning breeze with these easy-to-follow steps on how to make a perfect cup of hot chocolate. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, 1/3 cup of milk, a pinch of salt, whipped cream. Steps: prepare your saucepan. You'll be needing a saucepan to make your hot chocolate drink. Place your saucepan on top of a low to medium heat stove. Boiling temperature. Put first 1/4 cup of water and 1/3 cup of milk onto your saucepan. You can use full cream milk, whole milk, low-fat milk, or skim milk, depending on your preference. Use full cream milk if you want a creamier and thicker hot chocolate, while sacrificing calorie counting. But if you are health and figure conscious, you can use low-fat or skim milk. The important thing in making your own hot chocolate drink is being able to get your desired taste. Just remember to put the water and the milk into boiling point. Mix cocoa, sugar, and salt. Place 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar, and a pinch of salt, into the boiling water and milk. Stir it constantly until the cocoa, sugar, and salt are completely dissolved. Don't overdo it, otherwise, your hot chocolate will have an awful burnt chocolate taste. Keep it boiling for 2 to 3 minutes. Cocoa. You can use Hershey's chocolate powder for best results. But if you prefer other brands, you're free to use them. Sugar. Sugar, combined with the taste of milk, brings out the full flavor of chocolate. Use granulated sugar instead of powdered sugar, as it will make your hot chocolate thicker as compared to when you use powdered sugar. Salt. A pinch of salt would neutralize the sweetness of the sugar, while giving your hot chocolate drink with a tinge of mild salty tang. Pour your hot chocolate on a cup. After letting your hot chocolate drink boil for 2 to 3 minutes, turn the heat off and pour it on a cup. You can use whatever cup you have as long as it can be used for hot drinks. Serve with whipped cream or marshmallows. Do not get too excited when you smell the aroma of your hot chocolate as you pour it on your cup. Hot chocolate is best served with whipped cream or marshmallows. In doing so, simply place a dozen of small marshmallows or 1 tablespoon of whipped cream on top of your hot chocolate, depending on your preference. You can make your own home whipped cream, or you can use ready-made whipped cream, which you can purchase virtually in all grocery stores. As regards the marshmallows, it is advisable to use Kraft marshmallows, specifically the small ones. Sit back, relax and enjoy a cup of your hot chocolate drink. Indulge.